Let's check question number 18. Here given to us is जो fourth term और eighth term है उनका जो sum है that is 24, that is T4 plus T8 is 24, and also given to us is sum of 6th and 10th term that is 44. तो यहाँ पर जो second equation बनेगी that is T6 plus T10 is 44. Let's check the solution. We'll use the nth term formula that is Tn is a plus n minus 1d. तो यहाँ पर अगर हम n को 4 डालेंगे तो n minus 1 will become 3. So T4 is a plus 3d, T6 a plus 5d, T8 a plus 7d and T10th will be a plus 9d. तो ये हमारी जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है, लेट्स सॉल्व दिस फर्स्ट. सो T4 प्लस T8 इज 24. तो यहाँ पर T4 और T8 इनकी हम वैल्यूज डालते हैं और LHS को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सो a प्लस a विल बी 2a एंड 3d प्लस 7d इज 10d. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन फ्रॉम दिस फर्स्ट गिवन कंडीशन. सेम वे सेकेंड कंडीशन दैट इज T6 प्लस T10 इज 44. Putting T6 as a plus 5d and T8 as a plus 7d. So again इसको simplify करेंगे, we'll get 2a plus 14d is 44. And solving it, we have got two variables, two equations. So let's subtract these equations. So both the LHS, this 2a will get cancelled down. 10d minus 14d, that will be your minus 4d. And RHS will be 24 minus 44, that's minus 20. Simplifying it, minus sign will get cancelled. D is 20 divided by 4 or D is 5. That's common difference is 5. Putting D as 5 in your first equation, and when we'll solve it, we'll get A as minus 13. Now here we have to find the first three terms of this AP, and of course first term is minus 13 and second term that will be minus 13 plus 5 or minus 8, and third term that will be minus 8 plus 5, that's minus 3, and thus the first three terms of this AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3, and that's our answer. I hope you enjoyed the solution. I will see you in next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.